turn around, gain some altitude, and then they bring that stick down and come right back to show center, building up their airspeed, and that airspeed gets converted to energy, and that's how they complete their maneuver.
One interesting thing about what you're witnessing right now is Scotty flies that airplane inverted across the show. Everything is backwards. Down is up is down, right is left, left is right, and look at him go like it's no problem at all. He's got it figured out.
You really got to get your game face on when you start doing this kind of flying. Once again, climbing for altitude. All that altitude becomes energy. Scotty comes downhill going into the military barrel roll.
Now I can vouch that how tough this maneuver is to do and do right as you pull through the vertical and as you pass 90 or 90 degrees away from your heading and then coming back 45 and 45. It is truly a work of art to do it and do it right.
Going high, hangs it on the prop, now into the left rudder. He comes right down over his wingtip to a beautifully executed hammerhead. Then he comes straight down, picks up the center line, and out he goes. Scotty's a high-time pilot with a lot of experience. He's relatively new to the airshow industry. As such, he flies no lower than 500 feet. That is a safety margin until he gains experience. Then he'll bring it down to 250 feet, fly a number of shows at that altitude before he finally gets what we call the unlimited wave. Coming down from the right, this should be the photo pass for Scotty Crandlemier. Classic red and white paint job that adorns so many of the Pit Series aircraft.